Hello and welcome from Fulda, Germany. This company is Auto Service Abel, which is a local company, and there will be a link to it somewhere in the description. This is a Forster 6-meter van. It's what I call the Fiat Ducato camper van, only this Fiat Ducato was made by Citroen. So inside we've got, well, what's called the Livin Up. Oh, I didn't tell you the price either. Let's get things in the right order. 60,000 euros. So if you don't want to watch anymore, you can stop watching now. Now you know what the price is. And so, very typical Fiat Ducato camper van layout, if you like, until we sort of get to the back. Actually, the way things are going, I might have to call it the Peugeot box or the Citroen layout instead. Here at the back we can sleep 4 people, but you can see what's happening here. We've got these beds. There's a bed with a frame of a bed which will go onto the frame here, and there'll be some mattresses somewhere. They're probably, yeah, here's the mattresses. They're lying on there. 4 people in there. I thought there wasn't a huge amount of space there, but then again, hey, it's not all that high. Inside we've got a 185 centimeters clearance, so it's not a huge amount of space, if you like, to sleep. Also got the storage up here, so you're gonna have to put your feet down there, but there's no storage at the other side. Coming down here, have a look here, storage there, and here we have a wardrobe which I shall attempt to open. There you go, there's the wardrobe, and that's an enormous wardrobe in a 6-meter camper van with everything else that's in here. Let's have a look on this. This is the washroom, as you can see. So it's a place there in the shower tray for your feet, but I'm not going to walk in and dirty it up. And toilet, sink, angled mirror, another mirror, and there's the shower. Let's come out, and in the kitchen we find a sink and 2 burners. Under the sink there is a bit of storage, again, once more as you'd expect. And at the end down here we have a fridge which opens in both directions. There's one direction and there's the other. No, it doesn't want to open, so I'm not going to force it. The huge table, everything considered, 6-meter vehicle, and forward-facing bench, skylight, storage in the bulkhead, and there you see 6-speed Citroen basis. Let's have a look around the outside. So it's quite a, other than that, well, I'll say it was a no thrills, but it's I'm having that bed like that. Dual Omnis store awning. Now Forster is only available new in Germany, Austria and Switzerland, but you can find used vehicles in other countries. So anyway, there you go. That's the Forster Livin Up V599VB, which is no longer on a Fiat Ducato, but on a Citroen jumper. And so thanks very much for watching, and I upload every day at 21:15 and sometimes at other times as well. So, and if you ring the bell, you'll know when I'm uploading at other times as well, and when I go live. But for the moment, all the best from me in Germany.